Hey guys, so it's a nice day out. We're gonna continue taking off this door panel. There's only 2 more things we gotta do. There's a hidden Torx bolt in here and there's one in there, so I would get a screwdriver, but I don't want to scratch my stuff even though I'm taking it out. But see that, you just pull up on there, should pop right out nice and easy. Okay, that should access your Torx. And there's a cover in there. I'm gonna need a smaller screwdriver. Maybe that should work. Like I said, I don't want, oh, I just scratched it, but shit. Maybe try opening the handle like that. Flip the handle open and then go on the side. And then pop the cover off. There we go. That should lead to another Torx. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those and then we'll come back. Alright you guys, I got lucky and found this in my trunk and it's the exact same size I need. CRV T30. I got so lucky, dude. It was just laying in my trunk. Look at that, perfect fit. So let's go ahead and remove those 2 Torx and we'll go proceed with the removal of the panel. I just gotta find something to put this in. So we'll be back momentarily. Alright, turns out it fits in a 7mm socket, so let's go ahead and remove this. Alright, that one's out. There we go. Alright. So let's go ahead and put these on the floor. Do not lose these. Alright. Put those in the sock. Yes, I do not have my box to put the screws in, but I put them in my sock. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to pop up from the bottom. Just start wiggling it. Go around the edges. Make sure it's like loose. Just start doing that. It's tight here. There's some resistance. So, alright, so I'm gonna try to do this and then we'll come back when it's all popped up. Okay, so what I did was come to this side. I just pulled up and peel away. We're gonna do the same over here. Pull up, peel away. So that's free. The door panel dropped a little bit. So I'm gonna put the camera here. Just wiggle, go around all the edges, wiggle it. You don't want to snap anything, so just gentle love taps until it frees up. There's some resistance over here. Not sure what's giving me resistance. Oh, look at this. Look at this. There's one more screw right there, guys. There's one more screw. Good thing, see how we checked? Don't forget that screw like I did. I didn't even see it, so let's go ahead and remove that. Alrighty you guys, so my the socket, the Torx I put in the 7mm got stuck, so we're gonna go ahead and use this. That just sucks. I'm gonna put my foot here so the panel doesn't drop because I don't know if it's fully loose yet, but I cannot believe I forgot this one bolt, so I apologize for that. But now that we got it out, there should be 0 issues. I'm gonna put this in the sock. Do not lose these, guys. Put that in the sock. Alright, now let's go ahead. Put that there now. Alright, let's go ahead and remove these. Okay, there's going to be a couple wires you have to unplug here, which will be the unlock lock switch. I'll show you guys. So that one was plugged in there. That's the unlock lock switch. There's going to be the speaker. This one's the speaker. Unplugged. Then we got the door handle. I'll show you guys how to get that. So we're going to go ahead and slip this back in those holes down there, just so I don't have to use all my force. And then we're going to pop this out like that. Push it out from the back. And then turn it. And then move the door panel a little bit. And then push it in the hole, and then the door panel should be loose. There should be 0 problems getting this off. So there we go. That's one done. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Put put that right there. So that's it. Just 2 wires. We have to unplug this, that, and this one we did originally, and that. Now let's go ahead and do that to the other side. Alrighty guys, same thing on the passenger side, the driver's side. Mine didn't have a bolt here, maybe that's why I missed it over there. But let's go ahead and pop that off, put that on the side it belongs on. Torx, and there's one in here, so pull the handle open, that way you don't scratch it so much. Get a screwdriver in there, and just keep popping until it clips out. Fuck, hold on. There we go. Sounds like it broke, but it didn't. Okay, there we go. Put that over there. Now we're gonna go ahead and knock these Torx out, and let's get to it. Make sure this is spinning the right way. All right, that's one. Alrighty, that's 2. So the driver's side is really clean, so I just put my bolts on the floor, because over there I got my tools and everything, so I put it in a sock. Oops. All right, so let's go ahead and do the same thing. All right, so what we're gonna do is get the bottom loose. You don't have to pull so hard, and then just lift up. Go to this side, lift up. Alright, unclip the unlock wire, pop out the, make sure you pop out the handle. Okay, there we go, handles off. Unplug the speaker. Okay, and then it's out. So there we go guys, that's how to remove the 05 to 09 doors. We're going to install Sunday the new door panels. So thank you for watching so far. Please like, comment, subscribe. In this video, when I get it, it's going to be the same video. We'll be uploading the 2014 install and how to fabricate it to work. Thank you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that like button. Alrighty guys, before we end this video, let's just do this now so we don't forget later in life. This has to be loose, so you can either cut a slit in here or do a Dremel, whatever, or just rip it like that. Just rip it. I might get a knife and just slit it. This has to be loose, so I think you gotta cut this clip. But let's get to it. So just pop this clip out and then just slit down here. This has to be loose, so that way when we line up the new door panel, this won't be in the way. We have flexibility to line it up. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to the other side. I'm not gonna show it, it's pretty easy. You just pop this out, slit it, make sure it rolls, goes up and down, and you're pretty much good. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the install in a couple more days of the 2014 door panels. Alrighty you guys, so before I end this video, I'm gonna cut this, like I said, pop out the clip, make sure it's loose. I zip tied the door, the handle here, so that way I can use it or not, just so it's not hanging and it's smashing into that thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this to the other side. I did a bolt check. There's 11 here, there's 11 over there, so we got the same amount of bolts, same trim pieces. There's 4 here because there's 1 there, so there's 4, and there's 4 over there. So we got all of our stuff. Just to make life easier, what I'm gonna do is put the tools that I need to install the new panel, so I don't mess anything up and get too confused. So I have this, don't really need it, but just in case, I got the 7mm now, because that was my last one that got stuck in that one, in this. So that's my last 7mm. But anyways, we got Torx, flathead that's small in case I need to pry out a tool for anything apart. We got this is the 7mm, sorry. So that was for bolts. I'm gonna probably get another one, so that way I can use this, the rotary ratchet, that way I can just quickly zip them up. I'm gonna go ahead and now hang this on this wire loom, and then yeah, hopefully in a couple days we get the new panels in here. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna look so awesome. I covered up the orb for heat. But yeah, and then we're gonna also be installing the new handbrake and center console. So we have a lot to work to do. You guys can help me out by pushing that subscribe button. It will let me know you guys like my videos, like what I'm doing, and I'll do more. It will really help me out. And if you guys can donate, my link is in bio. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.